Hello everyone and welcome back to Advent with Emily. We are on day 12. In day 12 this is a lip balm. This is the This Is Everything lip balm. As you can see, I've actually been using it throughout the series already. It's a really nice lip balm, but obviously everyone knows what to do with lip balm, so I thought I would do a bit more of a festive video instead of just doing a makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you my festive room tour in today's video. So if you would like to see all the little bits that are festive in my room, then carry on watching. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe. Are they drilling? Are they drilling? Dunno. But yeah, if you would like to see my festive room tour, then make sure you carry on watching and make sure you subscribe if you like tutorials, because I'm doing 23 tutorials. This isn't one, obviously. I'm doing 23 tutorials this month. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with my Christmassy room tour, and I hope you enjoy.
Oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh.
Thank you for watching my Christmassy room tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Go and check out all the makeup tutorials if you haven't seen them already. Some of them look a bit like this. This is actually tomorrow's tutorial, so if you'd like to see that, then come back tomorrow at 5:30 PM every single day UK time. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye!